Why are there not more people talking about this urgent health update? The World Health Organization has reported a concerning development, the first confirmed human case of H5N2 bird flu. A 59-year-old man in Mexico who recently died tested positive for this virus in April. Unlike the H5N1 strain affecting dairy herds in the US, H5N2 has not been linked to animals in this case. This raises a red flag about its transmission and potential risk to humans. Stay informed, stay cautious, and make sure to follow public health updates closely. This isn't just about birds anymore, it's a human concern now.